What's up, y'all? It's your girl Sasha P back at it again, bringing you real gardening, good food and entertainment. Y'all, this is garden update number 2 for Friday, September 27th, 2024. I'm not gonna make this update long, but I have quite a few things going, and I will go into detail a little bit later about everything. But we definitely have collards shining right now. And I'll do a spotlight video on the collards next week. We got parsley. Check that video out. I've done a video on that already. We got butter lettuce coming in. We got some basil. These are really small right now. You can hear the water flowing in the background. And then we have basil lettuce as well. Stay tuned for more updates. These babies are getting bigger and bigger. I'll do some coin measurements, that's C-O-I-N, so y'all can get a better idea of the sizes. This one needs a little bit more help. This is the basil lettuce. This is regular basil. Collards, oregano, parsley, butter crunch lettuce. Yeah, just a quick update. It's the end of the day and it's time for me to go, but I did want y'all to see what's going on. More parsley. Okay, that's it. Thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I'll see y'all on the next one.